Hi, this is Kat with Beadaholique, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a quick and easy pair of earrings using ear threader earrings and gemstone beads. Now this is actually a really fun little thing, and we don't use ear threaders as often as I'd love, but this is a great little way to kind of show you how you can use them in a really quick and easy way. Alright, so for today I have my sterling silver ear threaders here. I have my pair all ready to go. I also have some head pins, and these are 2 inches and 24 gauges. Again, these are also sterling silver. And then I have some blue Goldstone 6mm round gemstone beads from Dakota stones. So that's all that we're going to need to create this. The only other thing is we're going to need some tools. So today I have a pair of chain nose pliers, a bent chain nose plier, a pair of round nose plier, and a pair of cutters. So if you have everything ready to go, we're going to go ahead and get started. Alright, really simply, all I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of my head pins here, and I'm going to slip on a gemstone bead, just like so. Bring it all the way down to the bottom there. And then I'm going to grab my round nose pliers here, and I'm going to come in a little bit above my gemstone bead there. And I'm just going to kind of kick back my wire, and I'm going to wrap it up and over the top. And we're making a wrapped wire loop here. So now I'm just going to rotate my pliers just like so. And all I need to do is bring that wire around. And now I'm going to wrap it down the exposed portion there. And I want a couple of nice wraps because this is really the only element of our design here. So I'm going to wrap it 3 times around there. And I'm going to come in with my flush cutters and I'm just going to trim that off. Alright, and I can set that aside. Now I'm just going to take my chain nose pliers here and just kind of give it a nice little tuck. Alright, so we have our little dangle ready to go. So now let's start talking about these ear threaders. Now these are actually kind of a cool earring finding. So they have a solid bar on one side, and this actually goes through the hole of the ear, and then it sits over the ear just like so. So you get a nice little kind of little dangle happening there. So on the other end, we have this little loop. Now, believe it or not, that is an open jump ring. So that is why I was allowed to do that nice little wrapped wire loop there. So I'm just going to come in with my chain nose pliers. Let me kind of try to grip it there. And the seam is really fine. So all I need to do is take my 2 pairs of chain nose pliers here and just give it a nice little gentle twist open, just the same as you would any other jump ring. And then I'm just going to slip on my little dangle right like so. And I'm going to come in with my pliers there and just make sure that I get a nice flush seam happening so that it kind of disappears. So that is it. I just wanted to do something that's really nice and easy. Very, very simple. And because this kind of lays on your ear, you're probably going to want to keep whatever you have going on there nice and light. That's why those little 6mm gemstones are great for this. But this is also wonderful if you want to add seed beads, wood beads, or really anything else. But just keep in mind the weight of this will sort of wear on the ear just a little bit. So this is nice for a nice little Swarovski crystal or a cute little dangle just like so. So I'm going to do the other one really fast here just so you can see the completed pair. And all of these supplies that you're seeing here are available by heading over to beadaholique.com. We do have a lot of nice quick and easy videos, so if you're interested in getting started into jewelry making, this is a wonderful place to start. Just by kind of learning some basic techniques, like here we are just learning how to do that little wrapped wire loop, and you can see really how fast that all comes together. Just snip that off and give it a little tuck there. There we go. And again, just so you guys can see this on here, I'm going to come in with those chain nose pliers, give it a nice little twist, and then add on my little bead there, and close it up. Now this is if you are looking to match an outfit and you need something really quick and you have 2 beads hanging around that match that outfit perfectly, this is where to go. And I love that these are sterling silver findings, so they wear really quite beautifully on the ear, and you can see that even that little box chain has a nice little sparkle to it. All right, so there it is, quick and easy earrings. You can find all of these supplies again by heading over to beadaholique.com, and if you're new to our YouTube channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button below to get all the latest from Beadaholique.